New at 6, the Oklahoma County Assessor's Office released its final tornado damage numbers today. This is from November 2nd and 3rd. It says the storms and tornadoes in the metro caused nearly $44 million worth of damage to more than 380 properties. You can call the Oklahoma County Assessor's Office to confirm any documented damage to your property.
We got Chief Meteorologist David Payne here. Does that surprise you, those numbers?
No. Well, everything now, I mean, think how expensive it is just to build anything.
We were just talking about that.
You know, 10 years ago would have been half that. But, you know, and that's just, that's one event.
Yeah.
Before midnight and after midnight. So think about all the other events. We had 152 tornadoes this year. So it'll be interesting to see what the grand total is.
Just how much it
past
cost.
year. So, yeah. We're not talking about tornadoes. We're talking about winter weather coming up, little snow, dangerous wind chills, pipe bursting temperatures. So prepare, right?
Okay.
Surely we have at this point, right?
You've warned us. We've heard about this for several days.
By the way, I went to marketing today and I said, find me the best picture of Amanda that you can find. And these are some of your latest headshots. So I'm going to use you as kind of a explainer, if you will, on what wind chill is. So
I can't wait.
Let's take a look. And I thought it's your latest picture. I think it looks good.
I've been doing something different with my eyes.
Your eyes are a little bit different right now than they were in this picture.
You don't look that calm in the calm picture.
No. Your face is a little more round in that picture. But anyway. But thank you. We appreciate it.
I'm here for you always.
Okay. You're sweet. All right. So when the wind is calm, our body basically retains the heat. And when you have wind and you're not wrapped up, that wind will remove the warmth off your body. And that's what we call basically wind chill. As the wind removing the heat makes your body temperature drop. And that's a problem, right? So if you're going to be out tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, bundle up, wrap up. If you have any travel plans, go right ahead, but take a cell phone with you in case your car breaks down or something just happens and you need to call somebody. So just plan ahead. We're not going to have a major winter storm. We're going to pick up a little snow, but nothing too out of control, but not as much snow, not as heavy as snow as what we had last week, okay? And last week's snow was wet and we could make snowmen and forts and snowball. This isn't that type of snow. We're going to be so cold. It's going to be a fluffy, powdery snow. 54 degrees in Oklahoma City, still a south wind out there. The cold front has not moved through. We'll see some clouds increasing later this evening and tonight from the west and the northwest. So the cold front now just moved through Enid. You've dropped to 47. It's 44 in Sealing, 57 in Guthrie, 53 in Tecumseh and Shawnee, and a 54, 55 down in Moore and Norman. And there's your front now running from south of Kansas City to Ponca City down to about Frederick, and behind it, it is a little cooler with a north wind. Look at there, just had a wind gust of nearly 40 at Vici. So the wind's going to blow this evening and tonight as this cold air comes in from the north behind that front. And I want to point out that you're thinking, well, it's not that cold in Kansas and Nebraska. I know, but the cold air is lagging behind, but it's hauling south. And it's southbound and down. So what's going to happen is this cold air up into like Bismarck at 16, Casper's at 16, Billings is 19, and this is what's coming south, all coming south. And this is why it's going to last for so many days. And then a few flurries tomorrow, but this comes out on Monday night, still about 3,600 miles away. This energy out of that will be your accumulating snow, all right? Let's talk about this evening. Winds 30, 40 miles per hour. There's 10 o'clock tonight. So once the front goes through, comes through Oklahoma City at about 8 to 9 o'clock. Winds will pick up. It'll get fairly windy overnight, windy in the morning, and windy throughout the day tomorrow. Not as windy on Sunday. But look at the lows tonight. When you get up in the morning, 26 in Guthrie, 27 at Will Rogers, 29 in Norman, 27 in Hera. North winds tonight, 20 to 40 miles per hour. Statewide tonight, everybody, for the most part, in the 20s except southern Oklahoma. And remember, overnight, while you're sleeping, right, crank up that electric blanket. The Arctic Siberian blast just keeps oozing in overnight. Highs tomorrow, 29 in Edmond, 31 in Norman, 30 in Yukon. And then statewide tomorrow, 20s in the north, 30s elsewhere. I think we're below freezing all day in Oklahoma City tomorrow. So, yep. And then tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, a little wave of energy comes out. Flurries, light snow, no major accumulation. It'll be blowing snow here and there, blowing flurries. Sunday's highs, look at there, 22 in Ponca City, 30 in Ardmore, 25 in Oklahoma City. Less wind, but still breezy. Monday, 20s, we're cloudy, it's cold, it's frigid. And then next Monday afternoon, Monday evening, Monday night, 70, 80% chance for snow. We'll say 1 to 3 inches up around Woodward and Arnett, back to Vici, Sealing, Putnam up to Buffalo. And then in the dark blue, up to an inch, half an inch for most of the Oklahoma City area. And then off to our east and south, a dusting. And across the metro again, about a half an inch, up to an inch, west metro to the west. This map will change some, so still could have some travel problems, some slick spots coming up Monday evening, Monday night, into Tuesday morning of next week, and I think roads will be snow covered in the northwest. That's the way it looks right now. All right, so Monday, Tuesday, below freezing. Look at Tuesday morning, a low of 7. Northern Oklahoma, you'll be near 0. And above freezing, Wednesday afternoon, that's going to be over 100 hours below freezing. And 40's coming back, and then a 50 in about 8 days. That 50 will feel like 80. Can't get here soon enough. Carl, back to you.
All right, David, thank you.